This quick screencast will introduce you to the navigation in Canvas for the Q1 Summer Session course. This is very important for those of you who are not Canvas users. Once you are logged into Canvas, you will see the dashboard with the course card for your course. You will also notice icons on the left side of the screen. You will want to become familiar with these, especially the account area, as this is where you will set up your profile and notification settings. All of the instructions for these settings will be found in the Start Here area of the course. You will also notice on the right side of the screen a to-do list. These are the items that are placed on the list according to the due dates in Canvas. To enter the class, click on the title, and once you enter the course, you will notice that you are on the home page. To access the course modules, click on the modules link on the left side of the screen. You will now see a list of all the modules in the course that have been made available. They are in a linear fashion. To view content in Canvas, simply click on the title of the content in which you want to view. And then you may navigate to the next page by scrolling down and clicking the Next button. When you click the Next button, you will see more content, and in some cases, you will see an assignment. Alongside each content item, you will notice some icons. Once you have viewed items, a check mark will appear. This is a great way to keep track of what you have viewed and/or completed. If you need help, make sure to post your questions to the Question Cafe so that your facilitators or a peer may assist you. Finally, once assignments are graded, you may access your grades and feedback by clicking on the Grades tab. I hope this helps you understand how to navigate Canvas, and if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to your facilitators.